Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Ram Bighorn Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number E1643P. 29,000 miles on this one owner, comes to us with a clean auto check history report, bright silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms, flip up. Give you a flat load surface with additional cargo space below, with in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning, and power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. Locking tailgate, backup camera, parking sensors for additional safety, trailering package, spray and bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Bighorn has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. And integrated trailer brake control. Lots of storage space in the center console. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding window control. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7-liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles a gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway. And new tires on the 20-inch chrome-clad wheels. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.